Okay, let's get this party started. But first of all, what is a domain? It is your website name, such as mywebsite.com. It appears up here in the address bar. And so in order to get your free domain, you'll go to wpbeginnercourse.com. And click on the Let's Get This Party Started link, which takes you to Bluehost. Now, Bluehost serves as your domain name registrar, or simply where you register your domain. Now, there are many other services where you can register your domain, but here it is free, and I also use Bluehost to host all of my WordPress sites. Go to Get Started Now, and we're going to be creating one website, so you can use the starter plan, which is the least expensive one, and go ahead and click Select. And here you'll type in your new domain. So let's go ahead and put reallycoolwebsite.com. Oh, it says this domain name is not available for registration. So if this is the case, you can always create a variation. Here's a lot of different suggestions. You can go with the really cool website or something else like that. But that's if your domain name is already taken. So let's go ahead and go back. I'm going to type in a name that I know is available, one that I want. wpbeginnercourse.com. Click Next. Okay, this domain is available, so let's go ahead and enter our account information. And what I'm going to do is blur out this information so it's kept confidential. So while I'm entering this information, you can go ahead and enter your information also. Okay. We're going to go ahead and select the account plan here. And the more months you select, the less it is per month. So you can go with 36 months, 24 months, or 12 months, whichever one you want. So we're going to go ahead and go with the 12-month plan. So the setup's free. Your domain registration is free. So domain protection, I'm going to go ahead and uncheck these. Site backup, security lock. I'm going to go ahead and unselect those. And we're going to go to the billing information and enter in the information here. I'm going to go ahead and blur this information out also, just for privacy. Okay, and once you agree to these terms, you can go ahead and click Next. Now here's a bunch of upgrades that they'll suggest. I really wouldn't recommend any of these, really. Yeah, you can scroll all the way down and then click, see, additional upgrade total $0. So go ahead and click Complete. And congratulations, your purchase was successful. And you'll get a confirmation email. And here you'll choose a password for your account. And here you're going to click Confirm to the terms. And I'm going to go ahead and use the password generator. And go ahead and copy this. And click Create. Now you can go ahead and log in. Your username will be the name of your website, and your password, go ahead and paste that in and click submit. And I'm going to click, I'm not going to save that password. So here they'll try to do an upsell here. So go ahead and click no thanks, I'm not interested down here. Here's an intro screen. You can go ahead and close that out. And we're here in our C panel now, or control panel. So we're going to go down to website and click install WordPress. So now all you have to do is click the install button here. Okay, step one will be the version of WordPress. So the first one that's selected is the latest version, so go ahead and go with that. Where would you like WordPress installed? That's just going to be the web address that you just selected or that you just created. Advanced options. We're going to go ahead and give our site a name here. It's going to be called whatever the name of your site is. Here we're going to select a username and password. So the password is going to be, well, whatever you want it to be. And automatically create a new database. Need that selected. Here's some plugins and themes. You can go ahead and unselect these. We're going to be adding some plugins and themes later, so I'll take you step by step on how to do all this. And at the bottom, you just check the legal information and click complete. Okay, here we are in the progress of installing WordPress. So you're going to get a warning here. Go ahead and overwrite existing files because there's nothing there really anyway. Okay, here we have completed the install process, and here it gives the name of your website right here. And here is how you log into your website. You're going to go ahead and type in your website name /wp-admin. That gets into your control panel, which we'll go over in the next lecture. And here's your username. Here's your password. We're going to be changing your password because you don't want it something so simple. At the beginning, you can create one that's a little bit harder to figure out, but I just made something simple, so we're going to go ahead and change that here in a minute. Now we're going to go ahead and click on the second one, this login URL, to go to WP admin. Okay, you're going to go ahead and type in your username and password. I'm not gonna check remember me because I'm going to be changing my password. So you can go ahead and log in. Great, so now we're in the WordPress dashboard, and we're going to explain this in further detail in the next lecture. See you there.